Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got the Subaru Impreza WRX. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium from Thrill Crime Bus set. It's the first of the 5 cars and it's from the Hot Wheels car culture. I will be showing you all the 5 cars in coming days. This is the first one. We'll go into the order. If you don't know about Hot Wheels Premium, so these cars have better details compared to mainline. They come with metal on metal, so metal base, metal body obviously, nicer paint, nicer details, and rubber tires with better detailed wheels. So let's open this up and see what does it offer. So here is the WRX STI out of its box, and notice it's finished in yellow, bright yellow. Something different which you don't usually see on Hot Wheels. That's in the front. That's the headlamp. You mostly get those painted or decals or sticker, whatever you want to say, paint headlamps, but this one has acrylic ones, which actually looks good with this bug eye WRX and do a lot of justice to this casting. So since we are on front, you can see it's nicely detailed. I talked about the headlamp, you've got the turn indicators, auxiliary lamps, you can also see the intercooler, grille is detailed, and obviously the hood scoops to get that air to the turbocharged engines. It's a STI, so it's slightly wider. As you can see, the wheel is so slightly wider, and some aero element on the front bumper too. So a lot of good details in the front. You can also see it has got both the mirrors, and those are special mirrors. You don't see a normal WRX, so they're smaller, more aerodynamic, I guess. No windshield wiper though. I don't know why they missed it. Since we are here, you can see the roof and good details here. You can see this rubber bead going from front to back. We'll talk about the spoiler when we go to the back. Now, on the driver's side, again some nice details. You can see turn indicator, just painted. You got nice rubber tires with these good-looking multi-spoke wheels, black trim around the window. B-pillar isn't finished in the diecast; it's more into the plastic. Also, from the side, you can notice there is a roll cage in here, which we will see clearly when we move to back. Now moving to the back, again nice details. You can see you got detailed tail lamp, Subaru STI badge, and number plate which reads Sonic WRX 2, and this very Subaru WRX spoiler, like you see the all of STIs, the big spoiler, big single exhaust, which looks good. And this is the roll cage I was talking about. You can see the roll cage here. Now on the passenger side, it looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler, and this is how it looks from the top. You can see the flared wheel arches in the front and the back from here. This is how it looks from the bottom. So it's got a metal base which is finished in yellow. Interior is done in black. Some good details there too, racing seats, and as I showed before, roll cage. So overall, I think it's a nice different casting, and might be my second or best from the set. Like the Merc really well, and I don't think you will regret buying this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.